In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit task templates in Asana. Whether you're a project management pro or just getting started, task templates can offer you a streamlined approach to organizing your workload. Let's walk through how you can make adjustments to these templates efficiently. To begin with, open up the project that contains the task template you wish to edit. It's important that you navigate to the specific project itself because this is where the customization options for your templates are directly accessible. When you're in the project, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled Customize. Click on this to proceed. Once you've opened the customization panel, you'll find an option labeled Task Templates. Click on this and you'll be presented with a list of all the task templates you've created within this project. This is where you can view and manage all of your pre-existing templates. To edit a specific task template, simply hover over the template you wish to modify. You will notice a three dots icon appearing next to it. Click on this icon, and then choose Edit from the drop-down menu. This intuitive interface makes it easy for you to access the editing options without any hassle. Clicking Edit will take you to the editing screen for your selected template. Here, you can make all the necessary adjustments, whether it's updating the due dates, adding more specific actions, or refining descriptions. Everything can be tailored to meet your current project needs. Remember, editing your templates allows you to maintain consistency across similar tasks while also giving you the flexibility to adapt to evolving project requirements. Once you've completed your edits, make sure to save the changes. While it's generally not necessary to manually save in Asana, it's always a good practice to double-check that your updates are successfully applied. And there you have it. Editing task templates in Asana is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your project management efficiency. By keeping your templates up to date, you ensure that your team can rely on consistent workflows, helping everyone remain on the same page. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to explore deeper functionalities in Asana to further optimize your project management tasks. Happy organizing!